What's happening, everyone? It's John, and I've got a review on Graviton Block, which is a great, refreshing game on a familiar concept. Let's go ahead and start an easy game of Graviton Block.
Go!
Your main objective of the game is to create 3x3 blocks, and you're going to see what that looks like in a little bit. You basically just drag and drop pieces onto the playing field. The lasers are going to guide where the pieces are going, and at the top you're going to have your 4 pieces that you can drag, and this is the pulse meter right here. So if this pulse meter fills up again, you're going to start getting an alarm, and what's going to happen now is I'll show you is you're going to have different particles come onto the screen because you didn't drag in time. So this right here is your goal. What's going to happen right here on the left side, to create those 3x3 blocks, and what it's going to do is clear, and also you're going to get better score. So if I get another one here, you're going to get a multiplier. So the more that you get, the better the score you're going to get. And I quickly just have to put something on the playing field. That wasn't too bad there. I really like the concept of this game. It's really fun, and that actually helped me out right there. The graphics and sound on this game flow so nice, and it's got that very fast-paced type feeling to it, as well as the calm effect of just dragging pieces and trying to get your best high score. And the levels do get progressively more difficult. So right now I am on currently level 1, but I'll quickly bump that up to level 2 soon here. So we are on level 3 now, and the levels are going to get progressively harder because the pieces that you start getting are going to get increasingly more difficult to place on the playing field. And you'll see that you have different types of particles in this game. You'll have negative and you'll have positive particles that are going to repel and attract the blocks. So here are one of the positive particles, and as you can see, it's going to start attracting the blocks that I place on the field. So right here I'm going to place this, but it's going to attract it over to the left. And the same will happen with the negative one. It'll just repel it over to the right side. So now we've got another one that's going to attract this one, for example, over to the left side. So you've got to strategically plan where you're placing these positive and negative particles to quickly allow you to do better in this game. This green particle that I'm dragging over, the dark green, is immune to the blue and red, the positive and negative. So you'll see right here that I drag it, it's not going to attract it with the blue. It just drops down. I'm quickly going to exit the game and wrap up the review, but you basically do get the gist. You've got different modes here in the game, and I definitely recommend everyone check it out. So I'm number 420 out of 1,271 players, which isn't too bad, but I can do better. I challenge everybody to get this game and tell me in the comments what you're stacking up against me and the leaderboards are. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below, as well as subscribing so you're notified of my future videos. Alright, catch you later.